Hi, welcome to SL Chef Art YouTube channel. Today I am going to make tapenade and bagnat. Well, let's begin. Use the grinder. Add sliced black olives 100 gram. Add pesto sauce 1½ teaspoons, capers 1 teaspoon. Add sun-dried tomato pieces and grated parmesan cheese 20 gram. Add salt little and black pepper powder little. Add olive oil 50 milliliters. Add anchovy fillets 1 pieces. Get the grind. Now the tapenade is ready. Now let's make the sandwich. I take country bread for this. Toast some bread. Let's make the sandwich. Spread tapenade in bread slices. Place the cut lettuce on the bread slices. Add sliced tomato. Spread evenly on bread slices. Take a boiled egg and slice it. Spread over tomatoes. Now take some deboned tuna fish and spread it on top. Now the sandwich is ready. Thanks for watching.